When the lights go out and winter bites back. Fire won't save you. Smoke betrays you. Light draws trouble. Wood runs out. But you are a furnace wrapped in skin, running on trash and pure willpower. Here's how to keep that heat inside. This is survival, powered by junk, physics, and a refusal to freeze in a world that forgot you exist. Here's what they don't teach you. No graphics. You're already a 100-watt biological heater. Your metabolism is running hot, burning fuel to think, move, and survive. The issue? Cold is a silent thief. It robs you in 3 brutal ways. Conduction. Sit on frozen earth and the ground drinks your heat like blood. Convection. Wind slices through layers, stripping warmth faster than you make it. And radiation. Your body bleeds infrared into the abyss. You don't need more fire. You need to stop the bleeding. Here's how. Step 1. Turn your clothes into a mobile sleeping bag, or turn your outfit into a walkable sleeping bag. Layers aren't just trendy advice from dead hikers. They're physics. Start with a base layer that pulls sweat away. Wet skin is a death sentence. Water steals heat 25 times faster than air. Use wool. Use synthetics. Never cotton. Cotton kills. Next, the insulation layer. Fleece, down, crumpled paper, dry leaves, literal garbage, anything that traps air. Air is your best insulator, as long as it's still. Moving air means convection, and convection is your enemy. Top it all off with a windproof shell. Trash bags? Perfect. Tarps? Sure. A poncho from a dumpster? Beautiful. Congrats, you're now weatherproof. But here's the move no one thinks of. Stuff your jacket. Dry grass, shredded paper, foam from busted car seats. Jam it between your layers. You're not here to look good. You're here to stay alive, and maybe look dumb doing it. Worth it. And whatever you do, cover your head. No graphics. You don't lose 90% of heat through your head. That's a myth. But it is packed with blood vessels. Lose heat there and your brain gets weird. That's when hypothermia starts whispering, "Take your jacket off, you're hot." Don't listen. Now, method 2, the debris hut. Nature's sleeping bag made from garbage. No tent, no blanket, no excuses. Find a long, sturdy branch. That's your spine. Lean it against a rock or tree about waist high. Now rib it out. Stack smaller sticks like bones on both sides of the ridge. Looks like a skeleton? Good. That means it's working. No graphics. Now bury it. Leaves, needles, dry grass, moss. Whatever nature dropped nearby. Pile it on. 2 feet thick at minimum. This isn't a roof, it's insulation. The more the better. You want to barely see the frame. Now crawl inside. Yeah, it's tight. It's dark. It smells like moldy leaves and forest floor. Perfect. That means it's small enough for your body heat to actually do something. A good debris hut can keep you alive in freezing cold without a fire. Bonus move. Line the floor with more debris. Do not lie straight on the ground unless you want the dirt to suck the life out of you like a frozen sponge. Method 3. Trap your heat like a crinkly tinfoil taco. You know those shiny survival blankets? They look like oversized candy wrappers. They're not gimmicks. They're heat reflectors, and they work. Your body leaks infrared constantly. You just can't see it. Wrap yourself in Mylar, and that lost heat comes right back. It's like being inside a budget thermos. But don't just toss it over you like a cape. The wind will rip it to shreds. Layer it inside your jacket. Put it between 2 blankets. Lay it on the ground to block conduction from below. Tape it to shelter walls. Turn your hideout into a poor man's sauna. No Mylar? Aluminum foil. Reflective bubble wrap. Even car windshield covers work. Science is just expensive garbage that works. Method 4. The water bottle radiator. DIY central heating without the central. If you've got any heat source at all, a fire, the sun, even a recently dead car engine, you can make this work. Grab a sturdy bottle, plastic or metal. Fill it with hot water, not boiling, you're not soup. Wrap it in cloth to avoid burns and press it against your core. Boom, instant radiator. It'll hold heat for hours. When it cools, bonus, it's drinking water now. No heat source? Use the one you've got. You. Method 5. The cardboard cocoon. Sounds stupid. It's genius. Cardboard is insulation magic. Layer after layer of trapped air pockets. Flatten boxes. Sleep on them. Instant barrier from cold ground. Tape them to windows to block drafts. Shove pieces under your jacket, like medieval cardboard armor. Yeah, you'll look insane, but you'll be alive. Stuck in a car? Line the whole interior with cardboard. Walls, seats, windows. Build yourself a heat-trapping cave. It's ugly. It works. In any city, cardboard is survival duct tape. Use it. Method 6. The huddle. Primal, uncomfortable, effective. If there are others, get close. Forget awkward. Forget personal space. The cold doesn't care. Neither should you. Back to back, side by side, share blankets, share bags. It's not cute, it's biology. 2 people in one bag stay warmer than 2 in separate ones. Penguins do it, wolves do it. Be smart, do it. Alone? Fetal position, knees in, arms wrapped tight. Smaller surface area equals less heat lost. Got a dog? Congrats, you have a living 101-degree space heater. Why all this instead of fire? Because fire is fragile. It needs wood, it needs air, it needs dry. In the storm? In the wet? Fire is a luxury. But your body? Your body is a chemical furnace running on fat, sugar, and spite. Feed it, hydrate it, insulate it. The goal isn't more heat. You're already a heat factory. The secret? Stop the leaks. So the night drags on, but you're not shivering and praying. You're layered. You're wrapped. You're huddled. You're thinking straight. No fire, no fear. You are surviving on physics, trash, and the iron will to not die cold. If you wake up tomorrow, you didn't get lucky. You won.